The most interesting thing in product. The layoff was the headline, the workflow was the story. Patreon cut 20% of its workforce, and the CEO said AI is not why they cut. The same memo said AI has fundamentally transformed the tech industry, and that has changed how Patreon operates and builds. Both sentences may be true, and PMs need to notice which one is load bearing. From a product standpoint, this is the second order layoff. AI did not replace anyone, the workflow AI changed did. The PM who used to plan headcount around scope now plans it around throughput. The PM who used to add engineers to hit dates now removes coordination steps. The PM who used to grow the team with the product now shrinks the team as tooling sharpens. Hence, when your operating model changes because of AI, does your Q4 headcount plan reflect the workflow you actually run or the one you ran when you last hired?